Welcome to the museum store here at Thurlock Park in Castlebar, County Mayo. This is where the Irish Folklife collection of the National Museum of Ireland is stored. We are here at Thurlock Park for 21 years this September. So this is our 21st, and we're having a theme called Folk21 based on the type of boxes and crates that said folk on them, and that's what we stored our collection in for years and years and years. And we unpacked all those wooden crates 21 years ago, and we put them into our purpose-built store. We're so lucky to have purpose-built storage that actually maintains the temperature, the humidity and everything to look after the objects. So this year we're going to look at, as part of Folk21, we're going to take out 21 objects from our reserve collection. So we're going to take out some Brigid crosses or objects associated with St. Brigid's Day, and then we're also going to take out some butter prints when it comes up to May time, and we're also going to take out some penal crosses around Lunasa associated with the pilgrimage to Loch Derg in Donegal. And then for Samhain and the winter time, we're going to take out 21 vessels, because it's all about storing your food for the winter months. So this time we're going to look in the presses, and it's a wonderful thing that we actually have presses full of objects. So I'm going to show you some of our presses full of Brigid crosses and other objects associated with St. Brigid. There's maybe 300. There's maybe 300 Brigid crosses, 330, all different styles, fantastic, and boxed by my colleague, Joanne Hamilton, who reboxed everything and put them in these neat boxes. This box shows some of our smaller crosses. We have several hundred came in 1942. This one is from Cong, in the barony of Ross in Galway, and it says "Go mé banach thí nave bríd an grus seo." So it's saying that would the blessings of Brigid be on this cross, may they be, and it's from Moira ní Shonacán in Carragarv near Mam. And that's just a lovely wooden cross, but a lot of our small diamond crosses, as you can see, there's loads of different and simple wooden crosses, and just very, very simple crosses. This cross here is made out of goose quills. It's from County Clare and Coolmean in County Clare. And this one here is from a circular cross, a wheel-shaped cross, and this is from the Charleville district in Cork. So what we have is a lot of our smaller crosses here and some really beautiful ones. This one from Donegal is very beautiful, the diamonds in it. But really, we have a huge amount that came in 1942, because the Irish Folklore Commission was actually collecting, doing a questionnaire about the traditions associated with St. Brigid. And as a result of that, in 42, hundreds of crosses came into the National Museum's collection, and we're really grateful to have that, to show such a variety that we have. These are just some of the smaller ones. We have so many larger and other sizes and other shapes and sizes. To make a selection of 21 is going to be very difficult.